Hey there, today I'll tell you how to delete Big Cartel website. It's very easy to do. For this, first log in to your my.bigcartel.com, then go to account, then scroll to the plan and billing section and click manage billing. Click close shop at the bottom of the page and follow the steps on the screen. You can also delete it from your iOS or Android. Just go to open your Big Cartel app, tap the menu button in the top left corner, then tap the account page, scroll to the plan and billing section and tap manage billing, then tap close shop at the bottom of the page and follow the steps on screen. If you want to delete a product, then log into your my.bigcartel.com, then go to products, click the products you want to delete, then click the action menu and then delete product trash. If you want to delete it from your iOS or Android, then launch the Big Cartel app, tap the menu button in the top left corner, tap products, tap the products you want to delete, then tap the action menu, then tap delete product trash. If you want to change your plans, then go to my.bigcartel.com, then go to account, then scroll the plan and billing section and click manage billing. Under the current plan section, click change plans. Select the plan you want to use. Follow the prompted steps and you are all set. That's how you can delete Big Cartel website.